Hey, are you great with math? Take 3 bedrooms, 2 great living spaces, and an oversized office space, and what you get is a million great memories. Hey, I want you to check out this brand new listing that we have in Little Elm, Texas. It's close to the lake. It may have everything you need. Come take a look with me. This is such an adorable home in the popular Wellington Trace community of Little Elm, just a short distance from Lake Lewisville. One of the great features of this home is the open floor plan layout with 3 bedrooms plus a sizable private office space. Additionally, 2 spacious living rooms, 1 cozy fireplace, and plenty of space for everyday living and entertaining. The open kitchen and dining areas are well appointed with bright windows, a breakfast bar, and access to the back patio. The split bedroom layout provides a separate master bedroom with ensuite bathroom and 2 additional bedrooms with a shared full bathroom. The exterior of the home features fresh paint, a covered patio overlooking the large grassy fenced backyard. Hey, so make sure you write this down. The address is 3420 Approach Lane, Little Elm, Texas. My name is Sam Thomas, and please schedule this with your realtor today, or you can call me directly at 469-298-9786. I'll see you inside.